everybody! I'm here today to show you how to give yourself a manicure. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This will be a simple manicure. We're going to be trimming the nails, we're going to be pushing the cuticles down a little bit, we're going to be lotioning the hands, filing the nails, not in that specific order, but let's get into it. First and foremost, you want to get yourself a nice pair of nail clippers, okay? Now, I have been a nail biter for many years, and I stopped biting my nails, I don't know, a couple of years ago. I still do it here and there, but, you know, giving myself a manicure has been a big deal for me because I've, with the exception of the last few years, I hadn't had to cut my nails for, I don't know, like 15, 20 years. I hadn't cut my nails because I was just biting them. So it's a big deal for me right now, okay? So you have something like this, which is like a toenail clipper. It's much bigger. You can use this, but I recommend that you get yourself just a nice nail clipper with sharp edges, okay? We're gonna start off by clipping the nails. Okay, let's bring the nail closer to the camera. As you can see, I'm doing basically, I just go in a circular pattern, okay? Just like that. We're going around the nail, and I always like to leave about that much nail on there. Depends on what you do and what your preference is, but I like to leave that much nail on there just because I'm constantly doing lots of things with my hands. So having long nails, or even the slightest length on my nail, will really hinder me because I'm always, and I do tons of outdoor work, tons of work in the garage, tons of construction related work, like house projects, and I don't wear gloves most of the time. So if I have longer nails, it just means more stuff can get sort of caught in them. But you know, if you're giving yourself a manicure, if you're at least clipping your nails relatively frequently, as you can see, I only have to trim off just a little bit. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there on one side. And we're gonna do the other side. I apologize about this. I told you I don't wear gloves and I do a lot of work. This is a serious blister. It's taking a long time to heal. So just sorry, I know it doesn't look the best, but you know, that's my hand. It is what it is. All right, so I'm working my way on this nail. I can tell actually that I bit this nail recently because of the way that it's growing. If your nails are growing jagged, then you probably bit them without even knowing. See, I didn't even, it's such an old habit that I didn't even know that I bit my nail. This is one that's a little bit longer, as you can see. You can see there's a little bit of dirt under the nail. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna get that out after. I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. Okay, very simple. As you can see right there, just going in a circular motion. I'll try and get this one on camera a little bit more. All right, there we go. Okay, and obviously I'm better with my right hand clipping my left hand nails just because of my dexterity, but you know, I still try and do a decent job. So as you can see, these ones are done. I cut this one a little bit too short. As you can see, there's like no white left on it. And that's gonna be a problem when I'm working outside because, you know, I might get a little bit of pain because of the exposed skin. So try and avoid that if you can, but really it's not a huge deal. I mean, they're gonna grow back. Next, we're gonna take a nail file, okay, and we're gonna file our nails. Most nail files will have like a coarse side and a fine side. You can start with the coarse side and go to the fine side. I just like to just quickly do it with, it doesn't matter which side to me, okay? But if you're gonna do both, start with the coarse side, then go with the fine side. Now, some people will shape their nails. So you can shape your nail by doing this. You kind of go lightly, very lightly, or else you're gonna grind down the nail. You give it a sort of semicircle. You can shape it however you want. That's what you can do to shape your nail. As you can see, I gave that nail a nice shape. But what I like to do is I like to sort of just quickly get off the rough edges. I don't really care too much about the shape of the nails. I'm not looking to make them look amazing. If you are, take your time and shape your nails. I just don't want to like hold my wife's hand and then she's like, you're scraping my finger, you're scraping my hand. So I just quickly, I even rub my hand like this along the nail file to just get down the rough edges. Very simple, okay? Next, what we're gonna do is you can get yourself one of these tools. On one side of this is like a cuticle pusher. It's just a little tip like that you can push your cuticles with. And this side is what I use to clean the underside of my nails, okay? I don't know if that's what this is used. I think it is that's what this is used for, but that's what I use it for. You can get yourself one of these, extremely useful. This is my wife's, as you can see right here. I just took it from her drawer. I just use it. I'm probably gonna get one of my own soon now that I don't bite my nails anymore. But what you wanna do is take the cuticle pusher, okay, like this. So you're gonna get the angled side. The angled side is gonna match your nail. So I'm using the angled side over here against my nail. Just quickly go along, push your cuticles down. Now, if you're, like I said, if you're taking care of your nails on a regular basis, then you really won't have to do much pushing. Just very simply push them down. If you have super long cuticles and you want to get rid of them, you can even get a cuticle cutter, like cuticle scissors. You can use those. So you can see right here, this cuticle right here is fairly long. So, I mean, I'm going to push it down for now. However, in the future, I'm probably going to end up, getting the scissors and cutting it off. But for now, I don't have the scissors because I've never really had to use them. This is still all relatively new to me. But push all your cuticles down. I'm doing my best to sort of keep this on camera. Once again, here's another rather long cuticle. So I'm going to push it down using the cuticle pusher. When you get these long ones, you want to apply a good amount of pressure to get them pressed down. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay. As you can see, much better. It's still there. I'm still going to have to cut it off in the future. I'm still going to have to trim it down. However, it makes a big difference. So we're working our way through the cuticles. This one's rather long as well. So we're just gonna go ahead. Let me try and get this on camera here. Push it down. Don't push it down too much because then you might be like, ow, that hurts. So, but just enough, okay? You can do this in increments. I mean, you can push it down a little bit this time, a little bit more the next time, and so forth, okay? Also, use this side. If you see any dirt under your nails, clean it out. There was that nail. This one over here had a little bit of dirt. Just get one part of the fork portion of it and just rub it underneath the nail, just like that. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I was off camera. It's a little bit of a weird camera angle. There's also some dirt in this nail right over here. I'm just going to pick it out like that. Very simple, okay? Next, all we got to do is get the cream. You can get any hand cream. Listen, there's specific wines. This is my hand cream of choice. It's actually for body fragrance and body, face, and aftershave lotion. Like, I just use it just as a simple hand cream and a face cream. Very simple. Get a little bit on your hands. You don't need a lot. Just like that on your hands, and then on the outside of your hands, okay? And then on each finger. So every finger, we're just gonna rub really quickly. Just a little movement like that. And that's going to lubricate your fingers. It's going to make them look awesome, and it's going to keep them nice and moist. And that's it. You're going to have nice soft hands, nice, calm nails, not going to cut anybody, not too long. They look good, nice and trim, very simple. And that's it. That is essentially how to give yourself a manicure. Simple version. We didn't do anything incredible in this. We trimmed the nails, okay? We filed the nails. We pushed the cuticles. We cleaned the underside of the nails. We used some hand cream. That's it. Nothing major, just a simple manicure for yourself. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.